All right, back again. Decided to make a part 2 of the last video. Had a last second errand there I needed to run. So again, this is a straight line drive, but this is a major highway, and we'll be going through some construction zones as well. Again, getting a real good feeling for how it handles the everyday scenarios versus the last build. And what I am working on for sure is being able to have a set path that we kind of go through every build, and then we can compare and contrast the two so that you all, including myself, can see the real world improvements, build over build, or regressions, build over build. And hopefully this will help the Tesla team there take that data and that feedback and make things better for everybody else. I'm a strong advocate for getting on and testing. You know, if you paid for that subscription, if you paid outright, whatever the case may be, and just being able to make a difference. I think all the data matters, all the reports, all the experience of the streets that we drive utilizing FSD matters. So just really trying to do my part for sure for the community. Great community. If you all haven't been a part of it, or have been following others, sharing their feedback and their stories, things like that. So, but anyways, this is a straight, pretty straightforward drive. Nothing too hectic. Again, just showing the capabilities of FSD, managing the flow of traffic or traffic thereof, on top of the construction zones. I think that's always something when you look at long term and think about autonomy, full self-driving without supervision. That's what you really think of, is like, hey, this should be able to handle any scenario as if a human, a chauffeur were driving. So we will see how far we get with that. I'm confident this year will be big for improvements in the FSD space. More users, more trials, that users are actually testing things out, hopefully leaving that feedback. So I think all that is definitely important. Again, this was recently I guess what you want to call the aftermath of a snow day. So still a little bit of snow. Most of it's melted now, and now we're back to normal. Coming up on this light, this will be an interesting turn just because it's, you know, it's a temporary turn. So I am fully prepared to take over if I need to, just because this is a heavy construction zone. Mapping wise, this isn't anything in the map. This is literally, hey, we know you have to turn this way, so let's just do a makeshift setup. So we will see. I'll let it go as much as I can, for sure. Okay, so here we go. See how this is handled. Kind of crossing over a lane, but we don't know what lane is what. It made the turn, so I'm not mad at that whatsoever. That was a definite iffy, because if you all saw, kind of folks were hesitant, and these are humans, so giving FSD a little bit of grace. We made the turn successfully, so looking good there. Again, arriving at the destination. A little hard on that speed bump. That is a thing, but it was a little bit better. Slowed down a little bit better. But yeah, we have made it to our destination. So we'll pick back up and go from there.